one with scallions, and one with chives. And you asked me which one was better. That I think I could give you an impartial response to. All right. Here we go. I don't know if my eggs are just small or not, but I don't know. You know what? That is shaping up pretty nicely. I think I could souffle that for sure. You guys seeing that? Let's switch spots. That's looking nice and fluffy. It's looking nice and fluffy. All right. You don't care about the difference. You want to know which one tastes better. Okay, yeah, that's fair. All right, cool. So, well, let's go back to 4cam because I'm going to start getting the heat up on this pan. So it says medium heat until foaming. Okay. Scrape souffle base onto the thing. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Since I already put the other butter away, I'm going to use some of this Country Crock plant butter. Is this how I got my username? DJ Fluffkins? By souffling? Yeah, it's quite possible. No, I got my username because I used to host. Well, I used to DJ, but I also that started from hosting like listening parties with my friends over Winamp or Shoutcast or whatever it was called back then. And then Fluffkins came from someone who's trying to make fun of me and call me Fluffkins. And I didn't let it take. Well, I mean, I embraced the username, is what I should say. I let it take, and he was even less happy with that. All right. Cool. Let's start getting some of this souffle going. So for those of you who don't know how to souffle, you take your egg whites or your whipped mixture, could be cream, could be egg whites, and you fold by cutting it in half and rotating over. It keeps the poofiness of the cream. Usually you do what we did in the beginning, which is you put a certain amount in to like change the consistency of the primary product into something that can take the floofiness. Okay. And we're going to put the rest of that in. The bottle on the edge concerns me so much. It's hanging halfway over the edge. Where? Which bottle on the edge? I know not of what you speak. Oh, now I know what you're talking about. It likes living on the edge. The olive oil, Sam. That's my Fiend impression. I sure hope this year we'll get to do MMC, even if it doesn't happen at a normal time. I would love to bring cooking and festivities to MMC. I think that would be a lot of fun. Okay, so what's interesting here is I'm following the recipe, and it is fluffy, but it is not the consistency that you would normally get out of a souffle or even like a whipped cream. So the cooking stream version of the spider on the wall. So we're going to go with it. we'll see how it turns out. Because, like, the stiff peaks there, like, really do take up space, and so it's not very consistent. Maybe stiff was too high. All right, so now we got bubbling going on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this in. Also, this pan might be too big for this, but we'll see. All right. So let's see. Using a spatula, smooth out the surface, and then cover. Okay, so smooth out the surface here. Okay. It's not very smooth, it's very bumpy, but it is all over there. Cover and cook until the bottom of the omelet is brown and the top is whatever. We got that cover on. I'm gonna tilt that camera over there. The recipe said firm. Yeah, you're probably right. So I lied the cooking stream version of Spider on the Wall. You could dress up as Mario and cook a bunch of turtles and mushrooms. The recipe said firm peaks? Until firm glossy peaks. Yeah. So lesson learned. Don't go overboard with the beating. Let me go ahead and rinse out this bowl. For those counting, that's bowl number 2 in the sink. Probably soon to be followed with bowl number 3. All right. Excessive beating is a sign of the times. I definitely have I bought a shirt for a friend that said the beatings will continue until morale improves. It was a Disney shirt from the Pirates ride. It was pretty fun. Oh, this might be super low. I'm gonna click within stop. I definitely have. What?